Life is a continuous journey, and we all are travelers in this world. As a part of a continuing journey, we are in Mussoorie today. Musoorie is also called the Queen of Hills because of the romantically pleasant weather throughout the year. Musoorie is 35 kilometers from Dehradun and situated in Uttarakhand. Due to its proximity to major cities in North India, it is a preferred escape from the daily hustle and bustle of city lives. The name Mussoorie is often attributed to a derivation of Mansoor, a shrub which is indigenous to the area. It is called the gateway to Musoorie and Gangotri shrines of northern India. In 1850, the first beer brewery in India was built in Musoorie. One of the most popular tourist attractions in Musoorie is the Mall, also known as the Mall Road, which is a steep boulevard lined with eateries and other shops. The Mall Road has many shops where you can experience the joy of drinking hot tea in the serene weather, simultaneously watching the exotic landscape. It also has a nature walk known as Camel's Back Road. This road takes its name from a rocky outcrop in the shape of a camel's hump. There is Gun Hill, where a cannon was used to sound out midday for many years. Gun Hill is accessible by the cable car on the Mall Road. The oldest Christian church in the Himalayas, St. Mary's, is above the mall. Company Garden also has a large collection of flowers and plants here. Kempty Falls are on the hilly tracts of Uttarakhand, India, 15 kilometers from Mussoorie along the Kempty Fall Road. They are lovely falls situated among surreal surroundings between hills. A lot of adventure spots like bungee jumping, zip lining can be undertaken at the Kempty Falls. Your trip to Mussoorie would not be complete if you do not enjoy a ride in the cable car. It is a 5 to 10 minutes ride from Jhula to Gun Hill with guaranteed fun. You could also visit Sir Everest's home in Mussoorie, after whom Mount Everest has been named. Getting there by air, Dehradun, 36 kilometers is the nearest airport. By road, Mussoorie is well connected by roads. By rail, Dehradun is the nearest railway head. Best time to visit? Anytime. In summers, Mussoorie is like any other hot place. The only differentiating factor are the mountain roads and the greenery. The best time to visit is from mid-March to mid-November, as rains during monsoon season and cold during the winters reduce accessibility from mid-November to mid-March. All the best!